In just 5 months, Samsung is set to reveal its next flagship smartphone series, the Galaxy S25. However, much of the information regarding the top-tier model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, has already surfaced. If you were anticipating an increase in battery capacity for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you might want to temper your expectations, as there will be no enhancements in this area. Recent data from the China Compulsory Certification Database, as reported by 91 Modals, indicates that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a battery capacity of 4885 mAh. This is on par with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, meaning the new model will also be marketed with a 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, earlier reports suggest that Samsung will not be improving charging speeds for this upcoming flagship. So, if you were looking forward to a larger battery or quicker charging capabilities with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you may find yourself disappointed. Meanwhile, competitors like OnePlus, Oppo, and Xiaomi have already begun outfitting their flagship devices with batteries exceeding 5000 mAh, with some even experimenting with capacities of 6000 and 7500 mAh battery. The Galaxy S24 Ultra manages to last a full day under heavy usage and about a day and a half with moderate use. However, a larger battery would undoubtedly extend its life to a day and a half even during intense usage. As smartphone reliance grows daily, the significance of battery life becomes increasingly critical. It would be great to see Samsung adopt silicon carbide batteries, similar to those used by Chinese manufacturers in their premium devices. We know that the new lineup will feature either the Exynos 2500 chip or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, depending on the region, both of which are 3 nm chips boasting significant performance enhancements. There are also whispers that these new chipsets may consume more power than the previous generation, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. If Samsung were to incorporate a slightly larger battery, it would be a fantastic move, but sadly, that doesn't seem to be on the agenda this year. We can only hope for an improved thermal system in the upcoming model, which could enhance efficiency to some extent. Let's keep our fingers crossed for positive developments. For more updates, be sure to check out our channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.